how to collect water that's pulling up on a patio. Sometimes you have to pull up the brick. If it's concrete, then it's a little different. You'd probably want to do a channel drain. In this case, this gentleman had retaining wall around his patio, and all this water went down there, and there was no way to get it out. I couldn't believe it. And he was living like this for 18 years. So what we did is we pulled up the brick down there, and we went ahead and put in one of our drain systems. And we just piped it up. We just basically went up the wall. I can't go underneath that retaining wall because I risk disturbing the foundation of it and creating some settling. I don't want any problems at all. There's too much going on with that retaining wall. It had some failing issues. We didn't build it. I didn't want to touch it. It was one of those deals. So we pulled up all the pavers, and then like a funnel, we pitched it to that iron grate you see. We put in one of our pump systems, one of our lift stations. So believe it or not, we're lifting all the water that comes down into this area up over that wall, and then we just run it down the side of the house out to where the grade breaks towards the front yard. So this is a great way to take care of that problem, especially if you have like a walkout or somebody built your patio with brick pavers and they're angling towards your house. You see these things, and to be honest with you, it's not that hard to have a brick crew pull that up. You could even DIY the drain and put it in yourself and then have them back, and then they can brick right to the level of your drain. You can set that height to where that's the lowest point in the patio. Remember, for the water to all end up going through that honeycomb grate, that must be the lowest point of the patio. All right, everybody, until that next video.